Hi, this is Christian Fouts with Core Real Estate Properties, and this is your Core Real Estate Minute. Today I'm going to speak a little bit about selling your house if you're going through a divorce. In many instances, couples that are going through a divorce, they have to sell the marital home for financial reasons, and then the proceeds will be split, and usually they'll downsize into a smaller home or into an apartment. So, they may not have the time to go through the traditional method of listing it with an agent, putting it on the MLS, which, can take time. They may not have that breathing room to wait 2, 3, 4, or 5 months longer, depending on how long it takes to sell the house. The other thing is they may not have the liquidity or the finances to make necessary repairs for the house to be listed with an agent. And that's why many people who are going through a divorce will look to work with a local home buying company such as Core Real Estate Properties. We've worked with many different couples who are going through a divorce to help them sell their house quickly. As is, they pay no commission, no closing costs, and the benefit is they know exactly when the house will sell and for what price. So if you want to learn more about Core Real Estate, visit us at corerealestateproperties.com. Thank you.